Hey you guys, it is me, Courtney Francois, and today we're going to talk about the Nike Air Foamposite One Marble. So let's get into it. So we're about to unbox this. This is a 8.5. This is my first Foamposite. I've never had a Foamposite. Like first I thought Foamposites were ugly, but I mean they're okay, you know. So this is it. Now, my most recent shoes I've gotten from StockX. I haven't gone to the store or anything to get my most recent shoes. Like the last 4 pair, they're from StockX. So this is the One Marble. I needed an all white shoe. Like I need an all white shoe, all black shoe, just a basic shoe to wear with everything. And I think I was looking at Jordans, looked up some Foamposites, and this popped up. It was rather cheap. I think I paid maybe like 150, 160. You know, and then it's like 13 something for shipping, but that's what it was on StockX. Passed the verification, obviously, and this is it. So let's talk more about it. So like I said, this is my first pair of Foamposites, and I kept looking to find out. I know I Googled it a couple times to find out, do they fit true to size? Like I said, this is an 8.5, and women are 8.5. So I'm like, do they fit true to size? Do I need to get a 9? No, do I need some extra space? So one thing I can tell you as a person who has never tried on a Foamposite, they do fit tight. They are snug. I have a wide foot, and it's very snug for me. It's like, it makes me feel like I should have got a 9. So I think maybe you should try these on the stores before you just order a pair. I mean, but I hear that they're just tight, period. So I don't know. I mean, I will go try on a 9 and see how that fits. But if that's just super snug too, then it just is what it is. So the Foamposite, I want the Foamposite because it's a cool shoe sometimes. There's some that come with Nike signs and some without it. And I really care for the ones without the Nike sign. And I feel that it is a very durable shoe. I mean, I live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, so right now it's the winter. It's a lot of snow. I wouldn't want to wear these out in the snow. Then they're going to be dirty and they're going to be ruined with all the slush. I mean, it would be durable enough to deal with snow and the weather, but not as far as for fashion. Now, if I just want to bust these down as like a boot, it would work out for that, but it wouldn't be clean and it wouldn't be as fly as it is. So let's look at it. So it's white. As you can see, we have like a copper rose quartz type marble color towards the toe box. And in the back, here's my StockX verification. It's moldy to me, like a moldy marble, you know. So it's all white. We have the black, a little bit of black on the sides. You have your Nike sign right there. That's clear bottom. I enjoy clear bottoms. I do. You know, I've never really told you, I'm just hopping into the shoe game. I used to talk to my kid's father about this, but I never used to pick out my own shoes. My mom used to just come home with shoes and clothes. I didn't pick out any of my own stuff. So now as an adult, trying to find my own style and my own fashion, it is different. So, like I said, this is a very durable shoe. We see it's all white. We see it has the copper, it has the moldy. You got your black tabs. I mean, it's a decent shoe. If you want, I feel like I could bust this with whatever. I can throw this on with whatever I'm trying to wear and I'll be smooth. So it's an all around, everyday, all purpose type of shoe. That's how I feel about it. So, I mean, that was about all I had to say about this shoe. Like I said, this is my first Foamposite. It is the winter. I haven't really had to move and groove in it yet. But by the time I get another Foamposite and do another Foamposite video, I'll have a lot more to say. Because I've had a lot of wear, a lot of tear, a lot of experience. So I will let you know if they stay tight, if they loosen up, do you break them in, did I need it bigger? We're going to talk about all of that on the next Foamposite video after we get some experience. But what we are going to do is hit y'all with the on foot video right about now. On foot, on foot. guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, show your friends, and hit the notification bell below so that you can see any videos I have upcoming. Have a great day.